Testing is a critical step in manufacturing electrical components, and as part of MCL's ISO certified process, every single product we build is tested before it leaves our facility. That means customers can be confident their components are ready to go as soon as they arrive. Our Cirrus testing software allows us to detect defects in a circuit with low or high voltage. The low voltage, or CR test, only checks continuity. When a component passes the CR test, it means there are no breaks in the wires, that they are crimped into the terminals correctly, and seated properly in the connector. On more complex assemblies, we'll run a CH2 test. Along with continuity, CH2 tests can add up to 1500 volts to components to make sure that they're working as they should. Testing with Cirrus also allows us to keep detailed records of each test we run and the result. And that is your MCL test equipment tidbit.